Why we think Tesla's future in China is brighter than ever before. Hello everyone, this is Armen Harayan for TorqueNews.com. In this video, you're seeing the extraordinary measures Tesla is taking to combat coronavirus in its Shanghai Gigafactory 3 after the resumption of operations last week. As you know, Tesla's operations were shut down in Shanghai because of the coronavirus, and then they took some extraordinary measures that you're seeing here, and the operations were resumed last week. This is like a free publicity for Tesla China. CCTV crew again visited the Shanghai Gigafactory 3 to cover the resumed factory operation and safety measures taken to safeguard employees' health amidst coronavirus concern. CCTV, of course, is China's central television and is the predominant public television network in mainland China. Toward the end of the clip, the local official actually says they have secured a few apartment buildings nearby Tesla Shanghai Gigafactory, all reserved for Tesla employees. With that kind of unprecedented support for a foreign OEM, Tesla's future in China is brighter than ever. I thank Twitter user Ray for Tesla for sharing this video and for some of the comments. Please, if you like this video, share with your friends, comment below for discussion, and visit us at TorqueNews.com. Please subscribe to our channel and ring the bell to stay tuned about our upcoming automotive industry news coverage. Have a blessed day.
现在我们就在特斯拉的食堂，吃饭的食堂有一种考试的感觉。
我们从正月初8开始，每天上午8点前都去特斯拉的现场。我们筹措了几栋相对独立的房源，向特斯拉员工开放。